12 centimeters for each wire length. Before I do this, I wanted to show you this little handy tool that we are selling. It comes in a little pouch, so you can tuck it away safely, like this. Some people have asked us how to use it. Now, this tool is a mini plier set. It's also got a knife and a screwdriver and some other bits and pieces in there. But mostly I liked it because of the pliers. How do you get to the pliers? That was the big question. Well, instead of pulling it open like this, it's not going to work. You have to twist the sides down, and that will open up the pliers magically. So you will have a whole set of a little mini set of pliers here. Now these little sharp bits here in the middle work perfectly for cutting thin wire. Now what I struggled with is, if you cut, you can use it like this. I wouldn't recommend it for anybody who's got sore fingers and hands and whatnot. But what I found is, if I take the sides out, with the exception of the knife, do not take the knife out, leave that in there. And then on the other side, take these out. It's an extension of the handle, and suddenly I've got it sitting a lot more comfortably in my hand. And the reason why I got it out is because I'm going to cut the wire with this now. So 12 centimeters, measuring it along the side. Ooh, one. Cuts very well. I think it's just one of those tools that maybe you put into your box when you go, what have I done? 36. Oh my god, I think I've cut it wrong. This is not 36 centimeters. This is 50 centimeters, right? So I need 3 times 15 centimeter length. Okay, I hope nobody has been cutting with me. Let's see if I can put other things together. Sorry, I got confused.